In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. As a trusted source in smartphone tutorials, I want to show you where to locate one of the most popular keyboard options called autocorrection. Let's start by opening device's settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit just to click on General section available under Battery. Scroll again, this time to click on Keyboard. And when you're ready, use a green switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off, or a gray one to switch it on. Autocorrection helps you type faster and with fewer mistakes, so I would recommend to at least try it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!